How to log into Sephora Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on logging into your Sephora Credit Card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and type in Sephora Credit Card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various links. From here, go ahead and click on Sephora Credit Card Home and you will see the option of sign in the top right hand side of the screen. Click on it. And after you do that, a login portal will appear where you have to enter the correct form of your user ID and your password. And if you'd like the system to remember your credentials for the future logins, you can simply check this box over here. But if you have been using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or the password, simply go ahead and click on this link over here to retrieve or reset your username and the password both. And if you need an online access and if you haven't registered yet, you can simply go ahead and click on this register now link to successfully register to your Sephora. After you have entered the correct form of your credentials, simply go ahead and click on the sign in button that is highlighted in black color in order to successfully log in. And talking about the card activation process, you have to enter the primary card holder information such as a credit card account number, expiration date, social security number, or social insurance number, or the alternate identification number, last 4 digits of your social security number, your zip code or the postal code, and click on continue and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your credit card. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.